Coucou les amis, comment ça va? Bienvenue pour une nouvelle classe de français. Hi my friends, how are you? Welcome to a new class of French. Let's continue in the book. On est toujours à la page 8. We're still in page 8, page 8. Relier les dessins et les mots de la gastronomie française. La gastronomie française, c'est le thème du jour. C'est parti. So, relier les dessins et les mots, it's like match the pictures and the words. Match the draw and the words. Bon, c'est facile, hein, c'est très facile. Really easy. Ok, so the first one, qu'est-ce que c'est? Le vin. D'accord? Répétez. Le vin. Le deuxième, le numéro 2, c'est le croissant. Le croissant. Le croissant. Numéro 3, les escargots. And don't pronounce the T at the end of the word, hein. Neither the S, just les escargots. Alors, the next one is a bit confused, but what can we see? It's like a kind of duck or maybe a goose, and this is the liver. So, you know, it's a famous French delicacy called le foie gras. That means literally like the fat liver. Yeah, why? Because we give a lot of food to the poor duck and goose, and then we kill it and eat his liver. Like, it sounds awful when I present it like this, and it is, but it's also really delicious. It's a special recipe for Christmas. What else we have? Oh, la baguette. Alors, c'est la baguette de pain, bien sûr, la baguette. Alors là, ça c'est quoi cet animal? C'est la grenouille, the frog. Alors les cuisses de grenouille, it's like the legs, the muscle of the frog. Ok, the frog legs, les cuisses de grenouille, délicieux aussi, c'est très bon. We don't eat that every day, hein. Maybe once a year. Some people never eat it. In my family, we like to eat it sometimes. And after that is le fromage. Le fromage, bien sûr. Et ici, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est le saucisson. Alors, voici des photos. Avec les photos, c'est plus facile de voir. Regardez. Ici, qu'est-ce que nous avons? Les escargots avec la fourchette, the typical fork for frogs. Alors, qu'est-ce que c'est? Pourquoi c'est bon, les escargots? Why it is delicious? Actually, it's not delicious. What is good is this green thing inside of it, which is a kind of a persillade. It's like uh, butter with garlic and parsley. I think we say like this in English, persil. Persil, you know, these herbs. Okay, the same thing we use actually for the frogs. Butter, garlic, and persil. Okay, that's what it's good. You could put any meat with this garlic, butter, and persil, and everything is good. Huh? It's just disgusting thing, and we cook it good. That's why we like it. Ouais, the next one, le saucisson. Oof, the best thing in the world. I'm sorry if there is a vegetarian people. I love vegetarian people. Actually, I eat a lot of vegetables, but I like also meat. I try to eat less meat, but I will never like how do you say give up, abandon The saucisson. It's like a dry sausage we eat at the aperitif, at appetizer. Like you can take it with a glass of wine, un verre de vin. C'est très très bon, le saucisson. Donc, répétez les escargots, le saucisson. Ah, maybe we can focus on this one. Like the so. Remember the A with the U is like the letter O, so. And then it's like si, son, le saucisson, dry sausage. Ok. Alors ça, qu'est-ce que c'est? Eh bien, c'est le foie gras. Alors, why I put these pictures? Because maybe most of you know this form of foie gras, which is like the pâté de foie gras, which is good. You can eat it on a bread, and we eat it for Christmas. But there is also this foie gras, this liver, like we just eat it, the piece of liver, of duck, of goose liver. And it's like actually much better like this. I prefer like this. Ok, ok. Le pain. Ok, le pain. Alors, because you know la baguette, hein, la baguette, it's actually the shape of the bread. Because if you want to say bread, it's just le pain. All you can see here is pain, except this thing, which is un croissant. Un croissant, don't pronounce the T. Ok, très bien. Next exercise. For the next class, the next video, we're gonna make a small exercise to review the way you greet and the way you leave people, how you say hello and goodbye. Ok, c'est fini pour aujourd'hui. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.